Hi friends, today I'll be showing you the recipe for Moong Dal Bhajia or Vada, and it is a very crispy and tasty recipe. So for that minimum you have to soak. This is the split Moong Dal, green Moong Dal which has been splitted. You can make the same recipe with the yellow Moong Dal also. For that you need to soak this for 2 to 3 hours. So I'll just add water. So I have washed and soaked this moong dal, and let it soak for around minimum 2 hours, and we can keep it for 2 to 4 hours, because since it is very soft, you can grind it or use it after 2-3 hours. Then we'll grind this, and we'll just grind this, adding the ingredients and make bhajias out of it. So see you after 2-3 hours. So it's 3 hours now, and our moong dal quantity has increased. It is like the level has raised in the container, you can see, and it has become really soft. Now it's the time for grinding and making bhajias. I've kept the oil for heating. Meanwhile, we'll be grinding. So we will now put it in the grinder, the split moong dal. For that you are not supposed to add water, then only it will be crunchier and will get good vadas. And we'll put little jeera powder, salt, turmeric, and garam masala if you want. So as you can see, after grinding, the consistency is this dropping consistency. We have not added water little also, and this is very good consistency. And from the grinder itself, I'll be putting it in the frying pan for frying our bhajias. So I've kept my pan ready, and the plate with the tissue paper for removing bhajias. The motto behind using this small kadai is to avoid the reuse of oil. It is better to use a new quantity of oil as and when required than reusing it and blocking our arteries and increasing the triglycerides and VLDL level. Also, the benefit of using this split moong dal is it is having little fiber. It is having the coating intact, so it will give you fiber. And we have added jeera for the good digestion. I have not added black pepper because it is not that difficult to digest as of urad dal. We'll check if our oil is heated by dropping little batter, and if it is rising slowly, then we are done. And see, it has rised up slowly, so now we can fry our bhajias. So with the spoon, I am just taking from the grinder and just dropping it into the oil for frying. As you see the change in the color, it is turning little golden to brownish. If you want, you can lower down the flame and make it more brown, but this will also be crunchy. My family likes crunchy, so I'll be making it little dark, and we'll remove this. So we'll go for the second batch with the spoon directly from the grinder. I have not spoiled my hands with the dal, so I'll just use spoon, and no need to wash your hands also. So our second batch will be ready soon, and you can lower down the flame. It is very hot. If it is very hot, and once the oil is absorbed, one side is cooked, you can make it little high flame also to get that golden color, but immediately slow it down before removing it. And putting the second batch, you need to slow down the flame again. Flip it over once it is cooked from one side, and for cooking the other side and making both the side crunchier. See, I have not added any eno or baking soda, still it is giving me such a fluffy vadas just by soaking for 3 hours. So please do try this recipe. I have just used half a spoon of the batter and it is giving me good shape of vada, the good size, and it will be spongy from inside and crispy from outside. Now we'll remove the vadas. You can see this crunchy garma garam my vadas are ready. We'll go for the other batch. So we'll remove our bhajiyas, vadas, and since we are using the filter groundnut oil, it won't be that oily, it won't be sticking into the bhajiyas more. And I've also used the tissue paper. I'll show once, see it's not sticking much, the oil is not much sticking into my hands, it's completely dried. So our moong dal bhajis are ready. You can also prepare dosas from the same batter. You can refer to my mixed dal dosa recipe for the same. Only the dal is been replaced only with the moong dal. Rest all will be the same. So our moong dal vadas and bhajiyas are ready. It is not oily, it is crunchy, healthier than other dal and crispy. So this is our moong dal bhajiya, instantly prepared. It's very delicious and comparatively healthier option. You can enjoy it with sauce, chutney or just with tea. And do enjoy this recipe and please like, share and subscribe my channel.